This is the third part of our lesson on equation of a line practice. So our third example says that we want to find the equation of the line that passes through the points -6 and 10 and 4 and 0. So whenever you're trying to find the equation of a line, you always need slope and y-intercept. And together, we will use the slope and the y-intercept to make an equation. Okay, so slope. Did they tell me the slope of this line? No, they only gave me 2 points. So if I have 2 points, I can calculate the slope using our slope formula. So m is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now, each point has its own x and y value, and then you have to choose which one you want to be point 1 and which one you want to be point 2. Okay, so we are going to substitute in our numbers. y2 is 0. Take away y1, that's 10. x2 is 4. Take away x1, that's -6. Now 0, take away 10, is -10. 4 minus -6 is the same as 4 plus 6. You can use your calculator if you need to. 4 plus 6 is 10. So I get -10 divided by 10. Does 10 divide nicely by 10? Yes, it does. -10 divided by +10 is just -1. So it's not a fraction this time. It's just a nice number, which I'm happy about. Okay, so one thing down, we now know our slope. Our slope is -1. Up next, the y-intercept. So to find the y-intercept, if they don't tell you what it is in the question, we need to do y equals mx plus b. So I want to find b. I know m is -1, and then x and y, we are going to choose one of these 2 points to sub in. I think I'm going to do 4 and 0. I like the 0, and I really don't like negatives that much. So I'm going to put 0 in for y, -1 in for m, and 4 in for x. So I have 0 equals -1 times 4 plus b. So -1 times 4 is -4. And then we want to solve for b by adding 4 to both sides to get 4. It is so much less work when you don't have a fractional slope. Okay, so we have a slope of -1. We have a y-intercept of 4. So we are going to finish this off by writing our equation in the form y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to get y equals -1. Now, you could just write negative. The 1 is kind of shy, but I like to write the 1 in if I can. So -1x and then plus b, so plus 4. But you could alternatively just write y equals -x plus 4, and that would also be correct. Okay, so that's it for our lesson on equation of a line practice. It's now your turn to go and do some practice of your own.